My name's Dennis Neal. I've been with Custom Tub and Tile now since 2010. I am the technician supervisor. What attracted me to this job was it was very hands-on, being able to create things with your hands and making something out of nothing, or making something better, or restoring it to its original luster and giving somebody a great feeling. My favorite thing about working for this company is, I would have to say, the group of people that I'm working with. The high integrity, their passion for quality is just overwhelming. The advice I would give somebody that's looking for a job is that working for Custom Tub and Tile is more than a job, it's a career. And if you don't have any experience in resurfacing, don't worry about it. We're going to give you all the knowledge and know-how to get the job done, and the experience will come. I've been working for Custom Tub and Tile for 9 years now, and we've grown so much as a company, and I'm just excited to see where we are in the next 10 years.